Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at a utility knife that I've seen on Amazon. It did say made in the UK, but using global materials. So here's the knife. We normally call it a craft knife, but I don't know what you want to call it. Let me know down in the comments what you would call it. But something like this we normally call a craft knife. Not only that, I also purchased the blades. So these are also made in the UK, which I'm happy about. I'm always a fan of products that are actually made in the country that they specify. So you get something like this and it said made in China. I'm not too happy about it because the price that you pay. So I don't mind how much I paid for these. This was I think it was about £4 or £5, and that wasn't too far off that. So you get 10 blades in that. So we'll get this open and we'll come back. So here we are. Here's the product itself. Nice, heavy. There's the part number, as I said, and it's on there. So all it is 9mm snap off blade knife. So the rest is in different languages, and then how to lock and unlock, and then cutting edge 1 to 13. I'm going to assume that's the blade. It's also got its part number 11300. So there's the packaging for the blades, and all your usual safety, made in the UK again with global materials. And on here it just explains what these are. 9mm snap off blades, 0.63 millimeters, 13 bits, pack of 10, and then your usual stuff on here. Stanley UK. There we go. So how to operate this, right? According to the packaging, to change the blade or snap, you use something like a pair of pliers to snap the blade. So to change the blade, you undo it and it starts lifting. So if you notice, so if I put it back, you'll see the end go back in while I'm twisting this. There we go. And then that's locked in place. So I've tightened it. You won't able to move it. Yeah. So untighten it and it comes off. So you do it as far as you can. Lift it. And then move it away, and there's your blade. Change the blade out, put it back in place. You put the back end first and then the front. Once you got it back in, so it should be where it was. So when you twist it like that, it goes back into place. Still in the lock position. Undo it a bit. There you go. Let it click in place. Tighten that up, and it shouldn't move. Oh, out of focus. There we go. So loosen it, back in, tighten it. There we go. So that's all I can say about that. Blades, 10 pack, as it says on the packaging, 10 packs, made in the UK again, all that. Pretty secure, I must admit, pretty secure. the box itself, it's got a tab there and a tab on that side as well. The way I found it, so you probably need to carry a screwdriver every time you want to access these. Push the tab in one side and then do the same on the other, he says. Well, at least you know they won't fall out. Come on, there we go. That's open. And there are the blades. Pretty cool. I think so anyway. So let me know what you think. A product that's made in the country that you live in, brilliant. I'm happy. I was more than happy to pay what I paid for those. So if you like this video, please do give it the thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. See you all again.